Yo, DCM, how'd you already know I was on here, bro? Yo, how'd you already know I was on here, DCMer? What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? I haven't been back here in a month. Can't believe it. Can't believe I haven't been on here in a month. How's everybody doing? Oh, that's better. That is better. Anyways, yeah. So, yeah, I can't believe I've been on here in a month. Short and skinny. I'm doing really good, actually. As everybody that's been following my channel, thanks for the likes. What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today? Who did their taxes so far? But yeah, I'm doing really good. And I mean, I'm doing the best I've been in a long time. I'm sleeping good. I'm able to concentrate on my work right now, which is good since it's crunch time right now, right? Crunch time. Hey, I got a comment. Hey. Oh, Big Joker, man. You the Big Joker. You in Chicago? You follow? What's up, Big Joker? You pretty new to the channel? Like the last couple months or something? I don't really remember your name. Oh, hey, Mom. My mom's up in the chat. Mom up in chat. Did you file your taxes for 2018, Big Joker? How are you doing today? How's the weather up there in Chicago? Oh, hey, what's up, Lauren? Canadian princess. Oh, from Maine. Hey, what's up, David? What's up, STS? Man, Lauren used to watch me when over last summer, last fall, when I was just a mess. You freezing your arse off? Yeah, it's always pretty nice up here down here in Florida. Any hunting going on? Viana's still on? Woo woo! That's what's up. Hey, gotta make them chippers, right, DCM? Gotta make that money. Yeah, man, I haven't been here after a long time. Only hunt for coyotes. Trucking and taxes. Big Joker. That's what's up. You know, I don't have any. So, Big Joker, you get a 1099? Or, I mean, are you on W-2? I know a big one. I don't have any trucking clients currently, but when I did work at H&R Block, I did have a trucking client, and I know there's a thing called per diem rates for being away from home, and that takes into account W-2 going to 1099. But I think now, if you're on W-2, you might be able to itemize some deductions for per diem. But definitely if you're going 1099. Is the music too loud? I got there's an air conditioning vent here. Yeah, I'll turn the music down. There's an air conditioning vent and always hear that. Okay, I'll move it back up because I'd rather you guys hear the music. No, I'm at my office. This is how we do in the office, man. We spawn it up. This is how we do in the office. So yeah, this is how we do in the office. Anyways, there's a thing called per diem rates that you get for being away from your home, and there's like a United States average because you know if you're trucking all. What's up, Vet Tech? What's up, bro? Wow, they're watching your videos in class. Yeah, I know. Or did I miss something? Oh, dude, the air conditioning is on all year round here. Hey, Simply, how you doing? Dang it, I should have worn your T-shirt. Simply gave me a T-shirt. Thanks for the T-shirt, Simply. That was really awesome of you. Dude, someone took away their like? Dang, how could someone take it? Oh, there you go. Thank you. You took it away to give back. Hey, what's up, Semiosh? What's up, everybody in here? All 18 of you. I just noticed today, I was like, man, I really miss the YouTubes. Let me keep on task. For trucking, the tip I can have is train arms every day. Every day for arms. Every day for arms. Yo, what's up, Shane? Yo, what's up, Shane? The boys feeling a little... Hey, what's up, Natasha? Yeah, it's like a lot of the old squad. A lot of the old squad back. But make sure you get a per diem rate for being away from your home. And to make that easier, there's like because there's different cities are different rates and then where you're at, but there's like an estimated United States rate. Well, I mean, if you're going 1099, I would just say, look, you got to bite the bullet and get an accountant to do your books, so you don't have to deal with that, and you can just concentrate on making money. Although, you gotta keep a detailed log of what you're doing, though, really. Okay. Hey, Natasha, I'm doing great. Shane's worried about his 1099. That's how the tax season goes, though. Every year. I think this is what this is my 8th. I did. My hair is a mess right now. Oh my God, S-Corp or LLC. Oh my God, I'm gonna get on that big joker. Thanks for asking. I was gonna label that this, but I knew if I said saving money on taxes, that would get some more replay value. Let me go back to my boy Shane here real fast. Shane's a long time, not first time. Shane used to do push-ups with me last summer, which I need to get back into. I really love going live, answering you guys' questions, talking to you guys. I was like, man, I hadn't done a video in like a month or something. Almost a month, 24 or 5 days. So, man, we got 21 people in chat. It's popping. I know, Marla. Hey, how you been doing? Been driving deliveries privately this year. That's what's up, Shane. I need to start doing that after this tax season. I don't know. I got a lot of stuff that we're thinking about doing after tax season. But anyways, should you file? Now, yes, if you're 1099 and you make over $600, you should file, or you need to file. Sounds not so good? No, I didn't have my microphone in. Thanks, Natasha, though. What should I do? Okay. I don't know why it's not that good. Well, I don't have a microphone in. Music's too loud. How's that? Is that any better? One for yes, 2 for no in chat, please. 1 for yes, 2 for no. All right. I gotta go in order. Hope that's better. I just didn't want you to hear the one for you, DCM playing along. That's what's up, bro. We Gucci. All right, we be. Hold on. Hold on. We find the microphone. I was trying to do it without the microphone today. So just to see if it was good. Thank you guys for being good sports and telling me. I think I do have a microphone here somewhere. Man, I had a whole bunch of. I do have a microphone here. I had a whole bunch of horrific events going on last week. One for yes, two for no. It's gonna get even better now. Oh, David, man, I used to live up in Maine. Have a great day. Better. Yeah. I didn't even put the microphone in. I just took. We're just farther away from. Okay. We're just farther away here. Oh, the great outside, the great outdoors here. Yeah, you can't really see me that good now, huh? Oh, okay. Here, let's go here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. I'll put the microphone in. Oh, man. Vabahav, you gotta get going. That's cool, I understand. I don't know, I was trying to do it without this mic, but we're gonna put this mic in and then we're gonna see. I'm on my old phone. Your office looks good. Thank you. I pay a lot. I pay enough for it, right? I hope it picks it up since we've been going. So now the sound should be a lot better, right? Sound should be better. Okay, what do you do? What do you do with your? You think you made around 13,000, Shane? Well, this is for everybody with a 1099. Now you gotta keep better records of how much you make. Huh. You gotta keep better records of if you're not a W-2 employee, it's a lot more work for you, and you know you haven't paid any taxes throughout the whole year, and you're considered self-employed. You're considered self-employed too. So as a business owner, you're gonna pay 15% tax on your profit. But what do? You just file. Doesn't mean you have to pay necessarily. There's a way bigger penalty for not. If you don't do anything, it's like a 5% penalty per month up to a certain amount. Now, if you file but don't pay, it's a 0.5% penalty. So it's gonna be way better. It's gonna be way better if you just file. Doesn't mean you have to pay, but definitely file. Or if you're not ready to pay or do anything, run an extension because that's. But just don't do anything. I mean, definitely. That's where a lot of people get in trouble. They don't do anything, and then it's years down. What, W-2 and 1099? Yeah, it's a huge difference actually. But anyways, the good thing is, you might not have got add up what you got, and it needs to at least match the 1099s that you're getting. But anyways, you made 13,000. Then you get to deduct. Look, Shane, I would just go on a TurboTax or something and get your taxes done. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, HR Block's good. A private preparer, or whatever. But you get to deduct your expenses. I mean, and you do deliveries. So a huge one, you could take mileage for your car. You get like 50 cents, I believe 50 cents per mile. It's called like the standard deduction for mileage. It's like 50 cents per mile. So I mean, you probably racked up a ton of miles this year. Oh, you got TurboTax account. So, anyways, 13,000 is what is your gross, but you can make net. I mean, minus your expenses. I don't know. I don't want to how much you're going to actually net, but you get as a single person, you get $12,000 deduction. So let's just say half of that. Let's just say half of that in expenses. I don't know. You might take a lot more than that because all the miles you drove. But let's just say you made $6,000 profit. Now you're not going to have any a regular tax liability, but you are going to have to pay on that 6,000. You're going to have to pay about 15% of that in self-employment tax, and that's on the back end. They can't be lessened by deductions or anything. So it's 15% of 6,000 would be $900. So you might owe $900 taxes, and you can't pay them right away. Pay them a little bit. Pay them as you go. Set up a payment plan. I mean, which line on the 1040 shows you if you've overpaid? That would be the very bottom. I'm sorry because oh no, message retracted. Don't retract the message. I like all the messages, good or bad. Well, Shane, you're trying to get blood. You're trying to get blood out of a rock, there, aren't you? You didn't pay anything, but you're trying to get something back. But you might get, depending how old you are. If you're between 25 and 65, you can qualify for earned income credit. I think if you make less than, and self-employment income is earned income credit. If you make less than, I believe, 15,000 as a single taxpayer. So I'm sorry, I didn't. All right, that's what's up then. So you probably will get some earned income credit back. So depending on, you're going to owe some in self-employment tax, and then you're going to probably get a little bit in earned income credit. So it's not going to be that bad. I bet you're going to pay. I bet you're going to owe $500 to $1,000 or something. I don't really know though. I don't really know all the numbers, but yeah, you might get earned income credit. But that's why it's great doing it on a system or whatever, a software, because they'll add it in there. Hold on, I'm going on my other. This is my old phone here. I'm going on my phone now. And I'm gonna go look. I'm gonna go and chat here. Hey, I'm looking pretty juicy in that thumbnail, eh?
We all have banks, but I belong to a financial membership.
Dang, watching my own ad. Nothing like making myself some money, huh? I couldn't believe it. February was my biggest month by far for money wise. I about doubled my money. I mean, dang, we 20 minutes in. I don't even think it's against YouTube policies, but I don't really like to brag about how much money I make on the YouTube. But I made like $2,500 in February, so that's what's up. Oh, Neon Diamonds. Who's the best damn CPA in Florida? I am. Well, I'm the strongest. So I've been working out. I was slacking. I was doing half-assed workouts. I worked out 5 days only for 45 minutes, but a day. Worked out for 45 minutes a day, 5 days last week. I didn't go Saturday, Sunday, took off Monday. Worked out this morning, feel good. It was a really good workout. I'm feeling like I'm coming back into my own a little bit, and that things were really bad for me, but I guess everything's like ups and downs, like a wave, like everything's a cycle. So you just gotta push through. Which line on the 1040 shows how much you've overpaid? The very, very bottom. Because the 1040 for 2018, they changed it all up, and it's just one page now. So the very bottom of it shows that. Oh my goodness. S-Corps versus LLC. So I got two people want to know that. I got to make just a video on that because it's my biggest thing during tax season. I swear I go over it probably every client that has a new business that set it up themselves thinks they're an S-Corp, and you're not an S-Corp. Here's the I got I gotta put this on so I can decipher. Now, you don't start out as an S corp, okay? You have to file a form, a 2553 form, to be considered an S corp. You can be an LLC and file a 2553 and be an S corp, or you can be a C corp, an Inc, or a corporation, and file a 2553 form to be an S corp. So LLC or a corp can. Now that's what you are. You're an LLC taxed as an S corp. You're a C corp taxed as an S corp. Now what? Here's the thing. If you get your EIN with the IRS, because that's where you get an EIN. You typically, in Florida, you go on the state website, get a name from the state. You probably have to do that in any state you're in, whatever state you're in. You go on the state website. Sunbiz in Florida. Then you get an EIN. And when you get an EIN, you say, oh, I'm an LLC. I'm a corporation. And if you don't do anything, if you file a corporate return, then it says on your SS4 when you get your EIN, it says that they're going to be looking for an 1120S. I'm sorry, an 1120, a C corp return. And now that return, I don't like those for small business. You gotta file your own. A C corp is its own separate return, and then you have to file with the state, and you have to pay differently, and it's just a whole craziness. Or you can file a 2553 to be an S corp. Now, LLC, limited liability company. If you don't file a 2553 form, if you don't do anything with a limited liability company, it's considered if it's a one member, it's considered a disregarded entity, and you file that on your own personal tax return on a Schedule C. So, or you have 3 years to file a 2553 form and be taxed as an S corp. So you don't start out as an S-Corp. You start out as an LLC or a C-Corp, and you file to be an S-Corp. Now, I recommend 1,000,000%, 1,000% if you need a business, an EIN, start out with an LLC. Start out with an LLC because most businesses, it's going to be big business, it's going to be great, because an S corp has to file a separate return too, and it's got way more bookkeeping involved, and it's just a lot more money involved to have an S corp. It could save you a lot of money, but with you start an LLC. You go that first year around tax, and then around tax time the next year, taxes are due. Did it do anything? A lot of times, a business didn't really make any money, and then so maybe it lost money, maybe it didn't even do anything. So then you just put that. Maybe you have 3 transactions and you made $100. Well, then you would just say, I don't want to do anything. It'll be considered a disregarded entity, and it'll go on your personal return. Or it made a lot of money, and now you want to be an S corp. The reason why you'd want to be an S corp, if you're watching from before, earlier in today's, I was talking about how someone is on 1099, and they so they get money sent to their Social Security number, and they didn't pay in anything, but they have to pay self-employment tax. That's the big thing about having an S corp. You don't pay self-employment tax. So generally, if you don't make over, I like a general real rule of thumb: get you an LLC. If your business makes, don't even think about it unless it's making $30,000 in profit. Don't even think about making an S corp. I hope that helped. Do you have any? All right, yeah, Joker. So I mean, if you're already doing trucking, then you probably. But see, you have I mean, if you're gonna make some money on your 1099, but get an LLC. Start keeping good records. Don't wait till the end of the year not have any records. Keep good records. Whether you're gonna do your own QuickBooks or pay somebody to do QuickBooks, hire a bookkeeper. I would say hire a bookkeeper. I mean, of course, I'm a bookkeeper, but keep good records. Let's say you started one now or next month, in the middle of 2019. Come next year, that's fine. Then you can find a good accountant. Get yourself a CPA, and you've already kept good records. Oh, you're welcome. Yeah, then you've already kept good records, and he'll probably say, and then depending on how much money you made. Yeah, exactly. Get yourself a bookkeeper, because I'm a bookkeeper. I mean, gotta keep myself in business. But seriously, it's like if you're gonna get QuickBooks for yourself, that's gonna cost you $50 a month. All right. They keep on going up, $50-$60 a month for your own QuickBooks, and then you don't know what you're doing. Just because you can input information in doesn't mean it's good information. You know what I mean? So you're not really gonna know it's not gonna be good information. You're not gonna know the reports at all, anything like that. So I would say pay somebody $200 a month. Seems like it's a lot of tax deduction. and then you don't have to worry about it. You know, so you're really only out $150 a month, or it's going to cost you $50 to do it yourself, and all the time. Oh, I am not a genius. Oh, I'm not a genius. You know, I haven't even really found my thing yet. Like, I haven't really found my thing. I guess I came really close to finding my thing in the summer of 2017 when I was going daily on the YouTube. I just kind of got tired of doing accounting videos so much, and so I'm really gonna be bringing it back, and I'm close to finding my thing. Like, um, you know, doing accounting and taxes is a little stressful. Great information, thank you. Yeah, I do help some people. I mean, I had a really good, like, my YouTube channel. I gotta really remember that, you know, my YouTube channel has helped so many people. Um, I get compensated at it and stuff. Ooh, cool. Someone someone sent me their 8879 form. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, I didn't have to sign. He didn't have to do that. Woo woo! Oh no! Somebody actually signed form in the right place. So now I can e-file tax return. That's what's up. And I get paid. Yeah. Well, your boy's doing all right. Your boy's doing okay. Hey. Thick, thick, solid, tight. Um, it's illegal. These guns are illegal. You need a concealed weapons permit. I am Does anyone got some duct tape? Cause I'm ripped. Yeah, you deserve that. Thank you. What, to be happy? Thank you. I don't know. What do I deserve? Some money? Oh my God! Spill the beans on Puerto Rico. I did see him on Joe Rogan a while ago. Is he smoking? Is he smoking crack, or is he a genius? Probably both. I don't know. Have you ever met a genius that smokes crack? Hmm. I don't know. Actually, I think I'm pretty fat right now. But anyway, I think I'm pretty fat. McAfee. Money, happiness, joy, and good health. Yeah. I want to go. I want to go to Puerto Rico. Well, I know it's a state. I don't really know all the ins and outs of it. Crack smoking genius. Yeah, that ain't really gonna happen, huh? A perma bear. Yeah, I don't know all the politics too much, really. Um, let's see. So I'm feeling, yeah, 4% federal. Dang, that's pretty good. That's more than we've been paying here. That's pretty spot on, Diamonds. I mean, I don't know if you can pay less taxes. I would think I would live in Puerto Rico. I would thought about living somewhere else. Well, anyway, South Florida is just really expensive in general. Thought about maybe getting out of South Florida. I don't know. We got any other tax questions here? We got any other tax questions here? Oh no. Just really wanted to come on and say hi. Get some tax knowledge. I did want to talk. I really did want to talk about LLC, an S-Corp. Hey, what's up, Random? Oh, you're welcome. That's not a side note. Hey, that's not really a side note. You're welcome. Let me read that. You miss Boca? I swear the old lady, my old lady be living in Boca, and I never thought I'd say this, but we're looking for a house in Boca. I might move to Boca, but Boca's really nice, actually. Why do you miss Boca, Shane? No, money definitely doesn't buy happiness, but it does help. Oh, you're welcome, Trent. I'm really glad I could help out, man. I mean, when I made those first couple videos on accounting, I didn't think those were going to do anything. So I guess just goes to show you, just go and work, you know. Yeah, I am really glad. What's the form for state filing? Oh, we ain't got to file no state taxes in Florida. So I mean, it's all different in every other state, but for Florida, there's no form. I think every state. I mean, I file some state returns for clients and whatnot, but I believe they call theirs different ones. Um, Really, what you do, you put all of your income on a 1040, uh, all worldwide income on your 1040, and then you break apart which part of the income's from which state, and then you would do a state return as well. So you always have to do a federal return, and that's a 1040. And then the state return, some states you don't have to. I know Florida for sure does not do a state income tax return. Um, Washington doesn't have income tax. Texas doesn't have income tax. Nevada doesn't have income tax. I want to say New Hampshire doesn't. Um, what's really cool is Oregon doesn't have sales tax, and Washington doesn't have income tax. So right, there's the Columbia River divides Portland, Oregon, which is a really big city, and that's on the Columbia River. And then right on the other side of the river is Washington. So a lot of people live in there's a Vancouver, Washington, right over the bridge. So a lot of people live in Washington, don't have to pay income tax, drive over to Oregon to buy their goods, so they don't have to pay sales tax. bought my Jordans in Oregon, no sales tax. It's that Mac Drigadales. Thanks for all the videos. You welcome. I'm glad you like them. Doing deliveries? You was doing deliveries, Shane? What were you doing? Uber Eats? Yeah, people in Boca don't want to do. Yeah, they got money there. They don't want to do nothing. They don't want to leave their house, huh? But think about the cost of living, though. How much does it cost you to live? You know, I would stay in St. Pete, bro. What happened to the motivational daily videos? Well, I did 6 months of daily videos. summer of 17 through January of 18, I did the daily videos. I did about 180, 200 straight videos every day, 8 a.m. Then tax season came around, and I just I couldn't do daily videos because I got in such a YouTube zone that that's all I could think about. And that's all I could think about was YouTube zone. So I stopped doing the daily videos, and I never really got back into it after tax season. I took a new job, and then last fall I did do daily. I did get into it a little bit, but as everyone could see, my head just wasn't right. Yo, 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 what's up, Jersey Mark? And I think I made like one motivational video last fall or last winter. No, but it's I was really in a deep, deep, deep dark depression, and I couldn't really do motivational videos. But I've gotten a couple comments, bring back the motivational videos, and it's just really super hard to do a motivational video when you're super depressed. And after tax season though, or maybe I could do. I really enjoy making videos, but I was thinking, like, one of the things about this video I was gonna say was that I am coming out of my deep depression. I'm excited about my day more. I am, not just hating everything. Excited about my day. I'm sleeping better. I'm planning for the future. Yo, he sent back another. I got 2 tax returns I can file now. When I get off with you guys, I'm going to file. Yes, I believe 2018 is the last year that you're going to get penalized for not having health insurance on your tax returns. Marisol, that's a pretty good question. A pretty intricate question. Is it worth creating a business for write-offs while being fully employed? I'm gonna have to say no. Now, being fully employed, you mean you get a W-2. Now, if you get a W-2, I guess that's what you mean, fully employed. I would say, to me, that means you get a W-2. Now, if you're getting a W-2, they're already taking out for Social Security and Medicare, and you're already being taxed on that money. So you wouldn't make a business and say that's income. So that just doesn't work. So no. The short answer is no. Now they just doubled the standard deductions, so it makes it harder to itemize. But there are employee expenses that you can itemize. So look into that. Look into itemizing, and usually it's a lot harder now. But if you own your own house, there's mortgage interest and real estate taxes that are itemizable deductions. And then you can probably maybe get some more for the employee expenses, like if you drive your own car at work or use some of your own stuff. But it's not worth setting up a new business for if you're already on W-2. Gotta live comfortably, yes, Shane. Do you do professional one-on-one accounting training? No, I haven't asked that. Maybe I should. Maybe I should start that up. I gotta. What would I charge for that? I guess I could do like a Zoom or something, but what if I don't know the person's answers? What if I don't know the answers? That's kind of why I just like doing. So that's tough, taking someone's money. What if they don't get the value from it? I don't know. At the moment, no. I have thought about that. I wonder how much you'd even charge per hour. $40 an hour? I don't know. Thanks for the idea, though. Oh, Neon Diamonds. I do have merchandise. That, like, I couldn't believe it. Like, I think I sold like 2 or 3 shirts and a couple coffee mugs. It's on Teespring, but it's my merchandise is. I wish I would have known. I need to know for sure, but it's in like the under some of my videos. Maybe I should put it in every link, so because I have it, but people can't always find it. I don't know. I do have merchandise. You should be able to see it on my channel. CPA Strength on Teespring. You should be able to see it on my channel, but yeah, the office and work has been good for me. Like I just, and it's not like I wish it was like one day I felt great, and I'm still kind of not feeling the super best, but I'm feeling really good. And it is this office, having a nice professional office where I could bring clients, and it's the middle of tax season and everybody needs me. I've gotten a couple new clients, some new monthly clients, and I'm feeling really good. So yeah. You just got to push on, and I felt like just packing everything up, closing down my business and running away, but guess that's not gonna, that was the old me. I just always used to just run away from everything. So yeah, thank you, Gail. I am feeling a lot better. Oh, here's a juicy tax question. Thanks, Matt. If I started a business at the beginning of the year, okay, and I've had little revenue because it's seasonal work, am I required to pay quarterly estimated taxes this year, or wait till next season? Okay, you started your business in 2019, and you want to know if you need to make quarterly estimated payments this year. I would say no. But here's the thing: did you owe over $1,000 last year? In 2018, did you owe over $1,000? Did you get a refund? the thing with quarterly estimated payments is if you owe if you owed more than 1,000 last year to the government, and you owe more than 1,000 this year in taxes, a percentage of what you owe is a penalty for not doing your estimated taxes, which is somewhat small. I'm not even sure the percentage, but it's somewhat small. I wouldn't so much worry about it, especially this year, 2019. What I would do is just do your thing. If you end up having to pay a penalty, you're not going to have to pay a penalty in 2019 if you didn't have that business and didn't owe in 2018, and it's a small penalty. I don't know, but if you don't make your estimated payments and you owe money, then you're going to have to pay a little tax at the end. It's not that much. I'd almost say just pay the tax on the estimated tax penalty instead of giving them estimated tax during the year. But I wouldn't worry about it. Just be cognizant on your tax returns if you're paying a penalty for it. And then if you are paying a penalty for it on one of your tax returns, then I would make the payments. But it's all for if you owe more than $1,000. You should open up consulting and take emails as questions. You can charge based on length of questions. That's a good idea. Consulting. I should do consulting. Yeah, I probably should. I probably really should think about that. And then it's like, I really should think about that. Yeah, I really think I really could do that. Probably not that much. You don't think 40 an hour? Yeah, I know. Well, what's worth my time? So who knows? I guess really at this point, I'd rather just make I'd just rather make daily YouTube videos because, at this point, it just kind of feeds the train and my other videos, and so it's probably more economically beneficial for me now to just make daily YouTube videos and answer questions that I get from people. Yeah, just buckle down and stay busy. I know, right? Yeah, busy, exercise, getting exercise. Probably that, not so much as staying busy. Staying busy. Because that was my problem last fall and before tax season started. Because once tax season started, I started being busier, and it's got too much time on my hands with my brain. So, hey, I want to say thanks for everybody being here. I can't believe I still got 17 people in here. The comments are still coming in. I'm just having a really good time. All pro, what's up, bro? How should you report your illegal drug dealing money? Same as legal. I think there is somewhere on the IRS, in the IRS literature, where you're supposed to you're supposed to file with your legal drug money. Close to 100K subs. Yeah. Probably after today or tomorrow, I'm gonna have 90K subs. Like, and that's a blessing. I'm getting like 5,000K subs a month. So, oh yeah, March, April, maybe for my birthday, May 1st, I'll have 100K subs. Maybe for my birthday. But yeah, 2-3 months, I'm gonna have 100K, and that's a huge milestone for YouTube. Like, it's a huge milestone. College advice and career advice. I don't know if I'd be okay at college advice, I guess. Career advice though, maybe, because you wouldn't want to do what I'm doing, or maybe I just have to be in the game longer or something. But I don't make enough money. I don't charge enough money. Well, I was making good money, but then I kind of shot myself in the foot. Took a My biggest client, he said, "Why don't you just come work for me?" So I said, "Okay." Hated working for him, severed ties, and lost my biggest client. So it's just a learning process, you know. Yeah. Preparing for college or CPA exams. Yeah. I mean, I could do some consulting stuff, but it's like at this point, I put so much back end work on YouTube that I'd be better off just making YouTube videos, answering questions for YouTube videos. Maybe, I don't know. But I have thought about consulting. You know, with this YouTube thing is, in the beginning, you're going to put so much work in and get no reward. I guess the reward being money. But you're going to put so much work in and you're going to get no money in. And then all of a sudden, it's going to hit this switch. And I've heard this, I've seen other YouTubers make videos about this same thing. Then after a certain point, because you're gonna have all those other videos, um, your your reward's gonna be more than the effort you put in. Like February, I had my best month, and I only posted once the whole month. I made one video the whole month. It took me like 2 hours, and I had my best month ever for February. You know, made like 2,500 bucks. Whereas when I first started, you know what I mean? Like, I think it took me like, I don't even know, a year to make $100 or something like that, or I don't really even know, something like that. So, but thank you for your ideas, though. Like, I love the ideas. Like, that's awesome. And this is so much fun for me too, because I just like sit in my office in my own head all day. Great at talking and helping people. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I got some ideas though. I got some ideas, but I might add that to the repertoire. Thanks, Shane. More YouTube videos is a great idea. Yeah, for reals. I just uh, I just get so entrapped in the videos, and you know, tax season's really only a month and a half. I say tax season ends really the end of April. So I got 2 months, you know, month and a half, 2 months of tax season. Then I'm gonna start busting ass with the YouTube videos again. Oh, I like that. I like that idea, Diamonds. Even if it's $10 for an email or 50 for some emails, you'd be surprised how full your inbox can get. You can make personal video responses you post on YouTube and charge more than email, etc. That's some good ideas. Oh no, Jacob, why'd you retract your message, bro? I like all the messages. Write it back. uh, How to become accounting person. Learn debits and credits. Watch my videos. Learn debits and credits. Learn how to do a journal entries. That's basically what accounting is. Thanks for going live. No problem. Thanks for watching, bro. It's awesome. It goes by really fast, and I love it. I really do. I do love it. Silver plaque time. I know. 100K silver plaque time. Like, what? All Pro, yes. If you want easy money, you can become a remote CPA for Intuit TurboTax. I might try it once I get my CPA. Yeah, they were sending me stuff this year, and I just was not in the right mind frame, and I looked into it, and it's like, oh, send a resume, and I just wasn't in the frame of mind. I wonder if I could still do that now. I wonder if they need anybody. Thank you, because I think that'd be great. I think I even have a phone line here, because you gotta have a dedicated phone line. But yeah, I looked into that. Joan Hare. Hey, Joan. I've seen you before on the channel. Are the new tax cuts better or worse for average Americans? Also, is the new 1040 form better? So you got two questions right there, right? Are the new tax cuts better or worse? I'd really say look, they're better for some people, they're worse for some people, but I'd say overall, it averages out. It's better if you make, if you have a pass-through entity like an S-Corp or something. I've noticed that really help you, because there's a 20% qualified business income deduction. I've seen that help. They doubled standard deduction. They took away personal exemptions. That's a big one. And they doubled child tax credit. So those things kind of washed out. I think it's actually, now that I'm going over it, I think it's better. I'm kind of biased because a lot of my tax returns are for small businesses, and they made out really good this year. The child tax credits worked out really good for my clients. They raised the threshold for that too. And is the new tax form better? I'm gonna say yes. Just because now it's taken a while for me to get used to, because the old one was 2 pages, and I knew right where everything was. I don't know where everything is in this new one. It kind of hurts my head, but it's 1 page. To whereas it was kind of weird because you would sign the old tax return on the 2nd page, and oh, where is it? Oh, it's page 2 or page 1, and I like this one because it's 1 page, and instead of 70-something items, there's 22 items. It's just going to take me a while to get used to, but I think overall it's better. Is it a real problem to be a virgin when you're 19? No. No. Trust me, I didn't lose mine until I was 17, and I thought that was like the worst thing ever, but it ain't no big deal, bro. You can make up for it. Ain't no big deal. It is what it is, man. Everybody's different. But look, you don't want that 19, that's fine, bro. You don't want to end up being 30, 35 like that. So get out there, talk to some people, Try to lose that. Damien Logan, what up, dog? Yeah, Damien been on the channel forever. JD Numbers, he gave me my wrestling name, JD Numbers. He been on the channel forever. He was there in the summer of 17 even, man. That's like OG status. Summer of 17, he's seen the rise. Unfortunately, seen the fall. But I'm rising back up again. Yeah, that's what's up. Let's see, no more questions, huh? Oh, okay, dude. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened to my internet, dude. That's great. You lost some weight there, Damien. Dude, 55 pounds. That's a buttload. No, let me turn this off. I gotta get going too, man. 66 minutes. I was just gonna do an hour. I gotta get back to work. I want to say thank you for everyone being in here. Really brightened my day up. Thanks for all the great ideas and all the good chatting, and hope everyone has a blessed day. I'm gonna be back sooner than later. This tax year is pretty good. I got 2 tax returns. I got emailed my e-file form while we were on here. So everybody take care. We've fallen apart. Take it easy. I take it any way I can get, Matt. Anyways.